boarding na the bus. Sa boarding gate. Oh, diba? Amazing. Guys, look at this view. Amazing! Go, Joe! Look! Eiffel Tower! Wow! 4 level, ano? Let's see. What's up, Mananap? Today it's Saturday at 12:17 p.m. It's Saturday, August 30. So we're actually heading out. We're going to sa Pattaya. So magkuan mi dito, maglaag. Laag mi dito karong weekend, and Jonah will be staying there one night while I'll be staying there until Wednesday. Char. So we booked a room, and then yeah, I'm gonna be staying also at a different hotel. So yeah, I've been to Pattaya na, so this is gonna be the second time that I'm going to be there. However, we're going to also try to go to Kolan. It's an island separate from Pattaya. So I think it's gonna be 20 minutes, diba? 40 minutes. Pero pag ano lang siya, diba? Speedboat. Pag speedboat ta.
Oo, malukuri ko palukulangoy.
Kita ko sa video. Mas dali lang siya.
Ha?
Dali ra siya.
Dili ta mga hulo.
Dili man.
Ikaw lang, Kev, magkita ka dito. Ano lang manapagitan, pero mga 20 minutes lang ang difference. So, mag-boat ko, ikaw lang mag-speedboat. Lagi! Dili ko malog siya ko, Kev. Di ko kabalo.
Pero bumpy bitaw gyud ang
Yeah,
speedboat.
basi ikaw na lang pag-speedboat lagi.
Sige lang. Go lang.
Oh, I think ang speedboat.
Pero mas mahal ang speedboat, 300 baht.
Yeah, pero back and forth magod na. So, I don't think ay sa mga one day lang mula dito. No?
Yeah.
Basta, dili ko mag-speedboat, ikaw lang talaga. Kita rata dito before, Kev. Tara ko dito.
We'll see. So we're gonna be staying at Kolan one day lang, siguro mga few hours lang, and then we'll be back sa Pattaya City. Yeah. So we have few sightseeings lang siguro sa Pattaya, but our main destination talaga is the Kolan, and then the rest will be, we're just gonna discover there. I think I'm planning also to go to the Big Buddha Temple and watch the sunset siguro sa Jomtien, and also Terminal 21 and some night markets possibly. So yeah, see you there. Oh, our destination now, we're going to BTS, going to Egkamay. So that's where we're gonna pick up the bus going to Pattaya. So see you there.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so nana ko diri karon sa Egkamay bus terminal. So after we rode the BTS sa BTS Egkamay, baba mi, we bought something sa 7-Eleven para mukaon sa kadali, and then we doon lang ang BTS sa Egkamay sa bus station. So I'm gonna show you where you buy your ticket. So the ticket price is like 131, and it's just an easy process. So once you're here sa bus terminal, so this is what it looked like sa bus terminal, and then I'm not sure, maybe you watch a few YouTube and how to, but this is where you can get the ticket for the blue bus going to Pattaya. So yeah, that's where you buy the ticket going to Pattaya. It's 131 baht. So the departure time is 1:40, and currently it's at 1:10. So we still have 30 minutes to spare here. So kain muna kami. And then after that, you get your ticket, you have your bus number. So sample ticket is this one. So there's like your bus number, and then the price. So, and then the departure time, 1:40. So there are also tons of other cashier counters for different destinations. So, yeah, as you can see there. So, para siyang Ecoland Terminal. But without the scanning machine thing. So, once you bought the ticket, pwede ka na maghintay there or in here. So, may mga ano, di ba? May mga tindahan din dito. So, ours is wala pa ang bus namin, but yeah. Easy process naman po. This is where we're waiting na lang. Mauna mong sakyan na bus, guys. So, dili pa na siya mao, kaya mo ang departure time is 1:40. So, I think ang body number is 48-3. So, let's just wait here. I think malapit naman. Boarding na the bus sa boarding gate. So, there. Pero madami pang tao na nakapila. So, wait lang tayo sandali. Alright, so nakasakay na sa bus. It's 6:15 window seat. So the travel time could take about 2 hours and 30 minutes depending on the traffic. Could be more depending. I hope it's not really traffic on the road. But oh yeah, it can take 3 hours daw pag bus. So yeah, let's just enjoy the bus ride and see you there. All right.
A few moments later.
So we just got off the bus. From the bus here in Pattaya, we're just gonna go get Grab na lang siguro. Grab car na lang siguro. Tadyo. Right now, we're just waiting for a Grab. So we book a Grab. So from here, going to the Oasis. So we book a hotel near the Central Pattaya. Yeah, kasi madami kaming dala at the moment. And yeah, just gonna wait for the Grab car here. So there are actually a few transportations. So you can take Grab bike, Grab car. Pag more than one siguro and madami kayong dala, I think that's the most convenient. And then Grab bike pwede din pag ikaw lang mag-isa, or you can also nabay sungtiw dire jo
Diri sa terminal.
I'm
not sure.
mo baktas pa siguro kasi gawas, no? Yeah. Then we also have Bolt, but we don't have Bolt app. I don't usually use Bolt. So yeah, let's just wait. So this is a quick look at the Pattaya bus station. Yan. So there's a mini grocery. Then it's the waiting area, I guess. Yeah. Maliit lang yung station actually, but it's convenient and it's efficient, I'd say. So, magpalit pag muli na ko pabalik sa Bangkok sa Egg Kamay. So I think that counter there pagpa-uwi na ng Bangkok.
A few moments later.
Hello, so nag-check-in nami diri sa Oasis Hotel. So this is the hotel that we're be staying in. for one night lang here in Pattaya. And then I'll move to another hotel naman by the second night and third night. But this is a cool place. I'll do a quick room tour later siguro. But right now, we'll just take advantage of the time kasi hapon na that we arrived here. And I think, yeah, they have a mini pool. And then they have like a mini cafe sa baba ng hotel. So, which is nice kasi pwede ka mag breakfast na lang dira and order. Wow! Look.
Hindi siguro niya pangligo
Hindi
kaya.
siguro.
Ayan oh.
Kaya gan.
Ay, uy, makasad.
Sayang.
Pero why is there ano?
Cute, no? We can't use that. They have a mini cafe and bar. I think it's sort of a restaurant thing. Very shala place.
A few inches later.
Nag-book lang may og kuan. Grab motor bike going to Three Mermaids. So kanya-kanya may. Already book one. Yeah. Sawadee-ka. We're here na Three Mermaids. This is saan eh? Cafe Resto ba ni siya? Jo.
Yeah.
Cafe Resto here in Pattaya. Overlooking. And yeah. Daming tao. Yan, Three Mermaids. Wow. Moana. Guys, ang ganda dito. Ang ganda. Sobra ganda. Like, oh, di ba? Amazing. May pa. Moana. And then may, paano sila? Ganyan, oh. Parang pa bird's nest na chuchu. Diba? Si Mother Moana. Nice. So very nice. So look at that view, diba? What an amazing view. And then the side. Then meron din doon. Diba? Amazing. Nindot kayo dire, guys. Fairness. Guys, look at this view. Amazing. Woo!
Wow.
Diba? 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 Sad na dili rin na ano, nakapa-reserve because we didn't have any reserve. Walk-in lang may, but yeah. So when you plan to come here, much better siguro if makapa-reserve mo diri sa Bird's Nest. Much better ihang view and mas ma-feel yun ninyo ang Three Mermaids charot experience. But yeah, look at it. O, diba? Awesome, awesome. Jo. Sure na yung ka na ha? Okay na. Sige. Ay ka nice. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ay, video na. Okay. Okay na na. Let's eat, Jo. This is ice espresso double shot. Paik, Jo. Kaya akong kumuha. Sure. Out na kami. We're going to Terminal 21. That's the Three Mermaids right there. Alright, so I'm here na at Terminal 21, Gate 1. So let's go inside. Just stroll lang to see if we can find anything we can buy. Yun na yun.
Yung na mga baggage ko.
Asa? Ay, cute, no?
Saan ka pala?
Cute ang mga baggage. Diba? Luggages. Interesting feature dire pag naamo sa Terminal 21 kay each floor, diba, night theme. So for this particular floor, sa ground floor, it's Paris. Tama ba, London? Paris. France. So if there's Paris, so there is that. Look, Eiffel Tower. Mapa, nana ko diri sa Paris. Sa Paris. Oui. My croissant. My croissant dire, di ba? Amazing. Meryl! Oh my gosh! Mura lang good. I love Meryl.
Yeah, do you wanna buy?
Oh my gosh! Oh, pangarap dyan ako na shoes. Oh my gosh! Sandal, oh. Guys, 50% lang Meryl. Mahal kayo ni sa Philippines.
Ilan dito?
Mahal na, uy. Mga 5K something, mga inana.
Same.
Oh my gosh.
5. But
Amazing, di ba? Oh my gosh, labobay.
see? It's so cute. So cute. Okay, oh. Ano yun, nagbunit siya ng coke.
Ganun. Cutesy. Not a fan, but yeah.
Well, look at this stuff. Isn't it neat?
Oh, cute.
All my collection. Don't you think I'm the girl? Gusto ko yung baboy.
No, take cat.
Wala, ganan ko aning pig.
I love cat. Ay, oh, ka-cute. Cute sa baboy.
Bike. Ano ikaw sila, bubo ng tuwad? Wala. Pwede din na good, Kev.
Ka-cute.
Uy, ito na.
Ka-cute gani.
Oh. Kapilo ka na ni.
Stress reliever. Charot.
Lagi ko ani, Kev.
Halip na. Cute gani.
Kasi makasabaan ko. Sa school, dala na ako. Dala na ako sa kumba.
Tala.
This all like this.
Baby ta cute. Guys, sa mga mahilig maglabubo. Perfect here, oh. Dami. Ano na next? London na, second floor. O, diba? Nasa mall ka lang pero nasa ibang lugar ka na. Welcome myself to London. 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 So let's go up now to Italy. H&M. We're leaving London and we're arriving to Italy. Kasi tawagan na ano? Bridge above. Anong pa dire oh? Yan. Diba? We're leaving Italy and we're now going to Tokyo.
Chua!
Okay. Hanap po sila, itaas kayo na ano, escalator. No? Oh my gosh. Wow.
4 levels?
4 level ano oh. Grabe kataas. Kataas sa escalator. My gosh. From ground no? Ground to 4th floor. Ang kataas niya. My gosh. That is very interesting oh. Taas kayo. From Paris to Tokyo. Amazing, di ba? Pero yung kitag-taas kayo na escalator. This is interesting guys. Oh. Let's try this. Let's try kaya no matcha or original recommended man.
Kasi mo palitan, Kev.
Original.
Which one?
This one. One original. That's it.
I think this one is yours.
นี่ผมมาซีอิ๊วไว้แล้ว
Tapos na kap.
Eat it now.
That's it. Hindi siya tamis. Surprisingly, di siya tamis.
As in,
Meron siya ka ng pan na feeling na ano. cream.
feeling grateful. Feeling.
Yeah. Humok siya na
May
ano,
mani.
crunchy gamay.
May mani.
Naay mani. Sa taas.
Okay. So, say verdict on a scale of 1 to 10.
8 out of 10. Yeah.
Hashtag Paulo recommends. Or did it
Carry lang. Not so much.
Okay. That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
That's
That's
it.
Miss Cynthia. So, departed from Tokyo. Now, we're arriving at San Francisco. So, I believe this is the food court at the very top of floor. Let's look for water na lang because I'm a shadow. So, there's the Leaning Tower of Pisa. So, it's here as well. Diba? Very international. Very thematic. Very artsy. Cinema ni Dirijo? No? Cute yung cinema dito. Oh. Bagsyalan. Okay. SFX Cinema. Agi lang ta.
Okay.
Let's just look through, walk through, and see the difference. Charot.
Same lang ang mga prices.
Yeah. So guys, if you don't know, pag dito kayo sa Pier 21, you need to get the card for you to buy the food. They're not accepting cash. So you have to exchange your cash to a card para siyang ilo-load mo, top up, and then kapag ka may pwede mo naman ipa-refund after you eat if may sobra pa. So yun lang. So Kasi gusto ko mukha og pad thai sa gawas lang siguro. Sa baba na lang yun, hindi ko ikan anak ko. Baktas pa ta, matupad Central Pattaya.
Ano di ay? After na to sa layo ba?
Di na lang tama to sa night market. Pelayo ra.
Without expiration, you date you di ay care.
Okay. So, yun yung card, guys. You need to get the card there. Parang ipatap up mo lang siya so that you can buy food from any stalls there at Pier 21. Ayun lang.
Follow Salty to see the California Sea. Please do not feed their sea lion friend. Thank you. Is there a sea lion na real?
Asa gani? Nakakaya gani. Sige. Yeah, I do. I've tried. Sir, mga twice.
Have you tried Haagen-Dazs na ice cream?
Not yet. Dami siya.
Wala ko pa-try because it's so expensive.
Yeah, I see. Haagen-Dazs. Siguro once lang. Carry lang.
Yeah. Sa palitigan nila daw yung team kaya
Yeah.
sila aning ko.
Oo, no?
Diba?
Pwede din maki-charge diri, guys. Oh. Free lang, di ba? You don't need to buy anything sa charging station without you charging money. Ay, oh, tama.
Very convenient.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah. Yeah. Kaya gani. Di ba, oh? Pwede ra kayo maki-charge, guys.
Oo na, actually, kaya hindi ko problema kung wala ko power bank. Kahit
Pwede ra kayo.
mostly naman sa mga kanang orderanan ni mo mga drinks like cafe, nagin na sila
Ah.
kanang work charging station.
Charging station. Nice.
Ano to sa may airplane kaya
Ayan, Golden Gate. Pero, si Lion ko. Ayan, Golden Gate Bridge.
oy, wala sila yun.
Gani. Nandito na po kami sa Golden Gate Bridge. There are cars there. Oh. Ayan guys, let's go down na sa pinakataas nga escalator that I've seen in my life. Charot.
Napoy B, nakagamay na escalator ka.
Ah, look at this guys. From 4th floor to ground floor. Na escalator. Oh, ka-cute.
Nice.
Check na lang ko dira o mapagkaunan.
Tawag ana? Gondola?
Nakalimot ko.
Gondola.
Na, yun na nasaan mo, di ba, Manila? Sa mga sobrang minute din, no?
Wala ka nag-microphone.
Wala. Tanggal na.
Tara na, mabiyaan na tayo sa aeroplano.
Yan.
Wala ka na, oh. Wala ka na aeroplano.
Yan. Abot na mi. Ayan na guys, ang aeroplano na mo, sakyan. Wow! Diba?
Ayun na.
Terminal 21, airplane, airline, and daghan nagbaga na ni auntie, oy. Sharo. Sige, sige. Guys, tulungan mo siya o ng bit-bit. So we're in the night market here at Terminal 21. There's our airplane. I'm looking for pad thai. Guys, oh, sig willing mo. Kasabay. Jo, regaluhan ta ka. Ga-accept sila Alipay, oh.
Ha?
Ga-accept sila Alipay.
So, magilo ba na?
May nakutok ko.
Dili ito po. Ay, pa po education.
Iguana. Ito sa mga foodams. So I'm looking for pad thai. As usual, pad thai is what I'm looking for. Ah! Gosh. Oh, 10 baht lang isa guys. Kinahan ba mo ginani? Dagkuha sa shrimp. Gosh. And then na durian. Corn dog. Oh, takoyaki. Mangga. Takoyaki. Takoyaki. Tayo na to ng set A. Okay, with octopus yun siya. So, yeah. Malap. Hey, hey. Alright, let's try this takoyaki. Hindi siya lang sa for me.
Hindi man, mag-focus kayo
matter is okay siya. Hey guys, so sumakay lang kami ng Songteo from Terminal 21 and then we're going back first sa hotel to prep and then yeah.
นี่ปะล่ะแล้วเราก็เดินเอาโอเค
Beach Road to, I think this is Pattaya 12 Road. So walk lang kami going to the Oasis Hotel. So there are lots of hotel then via the street. So there's Herman Hotel and then hotel is this. Yeah, sure. Yamata na ta morning. Yeah. Good luck. Uwi muna kami sa hotel kasi Call of Nature. So this is our hotel. Oasis. Yan. Yeah, I like the interior. It's very shala. Diba? Very shala. Tapos napaipapool direct. Diba?